Hi, and welcome to the punchdown demo. In the previous two videos, we stripped the cable, untwisted the pairs, then we wired up the jack, and now we're going to go ahead and do the punchdown. Remember, with the punchdown tool, there is a cut side. We have to be very careful on which side shows the cut side. If we cut inwards, we're going to cut the wires as opposed to cutting the excess wires. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the punch down into the jack here on an angle and press down. With that, the cable gets cut. And we move on to the next cable. If the cable doesn't cut off right away, not a big deal, you can wiggle it out there. Alright, all sides are cut. So now all four of those wires are cut. So now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. Again, making sure alignment is correct when cutting. And we're going to slide into the jack and cut. Alright, all the wires are cut. We're going to go ahead and protect them with the cable protectors. And your jack is all wired and set. So we'll cut the other side of the cable here to get it set up for being punched down to a patch panel. And we'll see you in the next video.